Hello, good morning. I'm actually recording this clip after moving in. I should have recorded this before, but I completely forgot because of all the work I had. But anyway, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another vlog. This is gonna be packing, moving out, and housewarming vlog. The video is a little chaotic. It's just as chaotic as I am in real life. But yeah, I hope you like this video anyway. Let's get into the video. We just got all of our boxes from like the nearby whatever shop where they have all these boxes and stuff. So we're gonna tape it and then we're gonna start packing.
Come on, baby.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Till you made up your mind, you just wasted my time. You're on top, but you on top. Kinda done with the boxes. We've taped everything. I don't know if you'll be able to hear my voice. I'm just too lazy to go and switch off the song. But yeah, it's all done. We're gonna start with my clothes or maybe that section because that's unused. So we'll either do that or my clothes. We'll see that. Sorry about the accent. Good morning, you guys. It's housewarming day. I wanted to actually vlog from like morning since I woke up, got ready and everything, but I completely forgot. Here I am all ready. I was just waiting for our cab to come and we'll go boil the milk and just have breakfast there and come back. Today is just the housewarming and tomorrow we'll be shifting. We didn't do everything in the same day because then it just gets too chaotic. So today we are just boiling the milk and doing this housewarming thing, and tomorrow we're gonna be moving in. I'm so excited. So I just reached here. I'm so happy. We're gonna set up everything and I'm waiting for one of my friends to come, and Sean is actually outside getting mop thingy to just wipe the house. It's quite clean, but we want to wipe it before we do anything. So we're just waiting for that. But until then, I'm just gonna set up everything and keep it ready so that we just have like 1.5 hour left for the good time to get over Nalla Neram. So yeah, we're just setting up all of the things. Here's our breakfast that I just bought from the hotel because can't make in the morning. Sugar, plates, cups. I don't know why I even have so many cups. There are not so many people coming. And then Akka is getting some things and all for puja. We're done with all the puja and we're having breakfast. Idli, puri, pongal, vada. We're done with the housewarming and we just spent a little bit of time, and I also took empty house tour, and we just cleared up the space and we're leaving home. Tomorrow we'll be officially moving. So yeah. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. It's the next day, the day we are supposed to move in. But God played reverse Uno on me. I was so happy that I'm gonna be officially moving in today. The movers and packers said they'll be coming at 5 o'clock and they'll be packing everything and they'll move it to the new house. But we've been trying to contact them since 6 o'clock and they haven't attended our call. We tried calling them, like I called them like 12 times and Sean called them God knows how many times. And then we spoke to one of our friends who actually gave this contact, and he gave the driver's number and we spoke to him. And apparently there are workers but they don't have a truck and a driver available, so that's why they didn't come in the morning. I mean, don't you think you have to at least call and inform us? We've been waiting since morning. I've been stressing the fuck out of Sean and myself. So then the driver informed us that but our booking is confirmed. They'll probably come in the evening or tomorrow morning. But then I said Sean that there's no point in sitting waiting for them. So even if they come, I think we're just gonna cancel them and we are gonna do everything, because we tried contacting other packers and movers and we couldn't find anyone last minute. So we're just gonna pack everything. We anyway have the boxes and everything, and we are gonna have few of our friends come over and help us with moving and everything. We book a porter or something just for the transport, and I think we are only gonna do Just don't judge. This is how the house looks like right now. This is all the trash that we need to throw away. These are a little bit of stuffs. And this is how our house looks like right now. It's a huge freaking mess. I don't think you've seen my house before because I've never shown this house. But yeah, this is how the house looks like right now, which probably you wouldn't want to see. You guys, Sean just called. Apparently he booked services through No Broker just now, and apparently they called and they have people available. So they said that they'll come before 5 or something. Thank God someone is coming. I was so worried that we have to pack everything and move from here. The packing is not the issue, okay? The packing is not even the issue. The packing is very easy. The issue is unpacking, and and then we'll get so tired, and then Sean and I, both of us, have to go to work, which is what was bothering me a lot, because we'll get extremely tired and there is high possibility that I might fall sick. So thankfully we found someone through No Broker, and I at least hope they'll be coming, and hopefully we move today, because I was really looking forward to move in today and stay in that house. For me, it's basically like if I decide something or if I need to go somewhere, I just get very anxious if I'm not able to do it. Like for example, I can even do it tomorrow, like we can pack it today and we can move it tomorrow, but it's just that I decided in my head that I'm gonna go there today. So the fact that I can't go there today stresses the fuck out of me, and I get really anxious. So I'm just that kind of a person, and I just hope we move in today. The AC uninstall, and then we'll get this installed in the new house. It's 12 a.m. literally a.m. and finally we've got movers and packers come in, and they're gonna shift everything now and we're gonna go there. They've packed the fridge so well.
It's all the mess.
And that's my wardrobe. I just hope it goes safely. And here are other stuffs. They're still packing the kitchen. भैया थोड़ा सा ऐसे रखना. That's our kitchen. Bullet is so scared, and he's been hiding here for so long. He's been trying to escape to our room. Freaked out and he pushed my ring light. But I just checked. Thankfully it's working. But both of them are so freaking scared. So sad. Baba? This is the biggest task because the fridge won't move. You see there the steps goes like this and it goes there and it won't turn there. So we have to get the fridge from here directly to the van, which is like the task actually, because when we got the fridge also the same thing happened. I don't think you can see, but that is the refrigerator. Good morning. The things are finally here. It's 5:30 in the morning. I was literally awake the entire night. We were going back and forth from that house to this house. We are super hungry, so we just come to have lunch.